Welcome! Today I'm showing how to unblock phone number in your iPhone SE 2022. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find phone option, this one. Go into, then scroll down, and on the bottom we got blocked contact. Go into this. And now here we got two blocked contacts, so for unblocking, for example, this first number, click edit and click here on the minus and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time, and that's it. So once again, click here on the minus and confirm operation, tapping unblock one more time. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.